Class 8, we are going to discuss chapter number 1, topic number 3, India in the modern world. So, Aurangzeb's death, after the death of Aurangzeb, when in 1707, so after the death of Aurangzeb, suddenly the Mughal empire started to decline. Decline means to fall, means getting destroyed. The later Mughal rulers, they were very weak and incapable. Incapable. That means, in one word, worthless to hold this big Mughal empire. Powerful new kingdoms were established by the Marathas and the Sikhs. Means when they saw that this going declining, at that moment, Marathas and the Sikhs, they became very powerful. They established their new kingdoms. The rulers of Hyderabad, Awadh, and Carnatic and Bengal, they all ruled independently over their province. That means they all ruled independently. They didn't have to listen to anyone, or they didn't have to follow anyone. These new powers constantly fought for supremacy among themselves. That means here Hyderabad, Awadh, Carnatic, Bengal, they all fought with each other. They all fought with each other constantly. Now why? For supreme power. Supremacy means supreme power, means superpower. Supreme power. This was the time when the merchants, those who have came from Europe, established their coast in India's coast. Next, in the course of time, the Europeans took advantage of the rivalries among the Indian rulers and made their own base stronger. So, they made their own base stronger by removing those Europeans. The Europeans also fought among themselves for control. Europeans fought among themselves for control. And made their own base stronger. The Europeans also fought among themselves. And why? For huge profitable trade. From India. So these are the main power in India.